Hi guys, and welcome to the video. It's Sparkles Toy Time. We are here, and today we're gonna make no-bake M&M balls.
It's gonna be super easy. All you need is
Honey, peanut butter, M&Ms, and oats.
That's right. All right, so let's go ahead and pour all our ingredients into our little bowls, and then we can start mixing up.
Okay, just everyone come around.
All right, let's leave this one here.
Go.
All right, the honey, let me make sure. Oh, we still have the lid on.
And I need to do the M&Ms.
All right.
Okay, and
All right, why don't you fill this about halfway up with the honey. Let me open that up. Oh, you got it.
oh, this looks so good.
All right, why don't you fill that bowl up with those M&Ms.
Ah, it's crazy.
So many yummy M&Ms.
Yummy M&Ms.
All right, and these are the milk chocolate baking bits mini M&Ms, and this is just regular plain honey.
Just gonna.
All right. Oh my gosh, you're making All right.
Okay.
So we have our M&Ms.
Oh my goodness, it's a.
Oh my goodness. All right, let's put that there. And
we have our
right,
honey now filled.
yes, you do. All right, so
I have to just wash my.
So this is just plain quick oats, and you can get any type. And the nice thing about this is this doesn't involve any cooking or baking, so it's super easy that you can make with your family. So now go ahead and fill this up right here with those.
Okay, and just a lot.
Oh my goodness!
Get super messy whenever you do this.
Oh yeah, you are. All right, so we got our oats
messy
right here. All right, where's Archie? What you got going on? All right, let's put this over here.
Oh.
There's honey everywhere, girl.
I know. Well, we never both this.
Right.
This is crazy.
Oh my, the peanut butter doesn't want to open now.
Nope. We got our honey M&Ms. I'm just gonna stick one in.
Are you sneaking M&Ms? All right, River Cat. Go ahead and start scooping. Get about half that jar in here, okay, girl?
Those M&Ms are so good.
I bet they are.
I love peanut butter. Ew. Peanut butter is so yucky.
Yeah, you do too, like peanut butter, Missy.
Peanut butter, little snow kitten. Ah! This peanut butter is crazy. It's going haywire.
You almost got it all.
This is crazy peanut butter. This peanut butter is so hard.
Do you need any help there?
No thanks.
It's a big chunk.
Oh my goodness. This is so, the peanut butter is like hard. Okay.
Here. Let me get.
Just gonna snake one more of these.
Don't eat them all. Silly chipmunk. We'll just get all this peanut butter out. Because peanut butter is delicious.
Yep.
But if you have a peanut allergy, you can always substitute this with something else.
Like Nutella.
You can do Nutella. Nutella would be good. Almond butter.
Chocolate.
And if you don't want to use M&Ms, you could use something like raisins.
Chocolate chips.
You could use chocolate chips. That'd be good.
Okay, that's the last M&M.
It's the last of the M&Ms. You ate all the M&Ms?
No.
What?
No.
Oh my goodness.
No more eating M&Ms. I'm just gonna.
You gotta save some for the M&M balls, girls. All right, I think that's good. All right, so let's bring out our big giant mixing bowl. All right, so now we're going to put everything in there. So, Snow Kitten, you want to pour that in?
I'll pour the M&Ms.
All right. Okay, let's just pour it in.
And honey.
Let's go about that far. Put that honey in there. If you need to, grab the spoon to scoop it all in there.
Yummy.
Oh my god, this bowl's so sticky. Why is it sticky? Let's get that peanut butter.
Okay, I can mix it some. So me and Snow are gonna mix it. We're gonna take turns.
Alright, you two. Get to mixing.
What can I make?
There you go.
so hard to mix with.
But also, it's hard to mix. Crunchy. Don't forget.
I'm buying.
Snow Kitten, is it hard? Bet it's hard, Snow Kitten. What are you doing?
Mixing them.
Okay, Snow Kitten.
Oh my god! You just knocked me over. Alright. Oh my goodness.
Snow Kitten.
You are so silly.
I got peanut butter on my arm.
I bet you did.
I think we need more peanut butter.
Alright, let me try to get this all mixed in there.
More peanut butter.
You are so ridiculous. Oh my goodness, out of control.
I'm gonna just take one, baby. Could just take it and
Alright, so just mix it up really well.
get all the oats out.
Yep. So just scoop, make sure you get everything on the bottom.
And if you want, you can just add chocolate chips.
Ah, that's some M&M overboard.
And overboard that I might just drop again.
Oh my goodness.
Just dropped it again.
Oh my goodness.
It's
Alright,
a blue.
so once it gets harder to mix, it looks like you have everything all nice and mixed up in there. It looks like it's coming together really nicely.
Make up your little balls.
I love it. It smells yummy. So, there we go. We got all nice and mixed up in there together.
And now I'm gonna just with this and this.
So you just take a little bit, you mash it up together, and you make balls. And then we have a little tray here. We're gonna make the balls and stick them there. And I have wax paper on there. Wax paper is really great
I just made a tiny
to
ball.
help make sure that nothing sticks to your pan. And then we are just gonna put them in the fridge to harden up. And you can also keep them in the freezer if you want it to last longer. If you want to put it in your lunch box or take it out as a snack for hiking or anything.
Or you
Go
can just
into the zoo.
go into the park.
And you can just have this as a little after school snack.
Or for lunch.
You could totally have it for lunch.
Or you could have it as a cake.
All right, so we are gonna just go down making all these.
Oh, this looks so good. I might as
And
well
we'll
just...
show you our finished product here in just a little bit.
Okay. Welcome back to the final video of this. And we're
Alright, so we put all of our no-bake M&M balls in the fridge to harden up. So they don't look the prettiest,
No.
but they are all done. So girls, you want to try them out and see how they taste?
Yes.
I just didn't eat it.
So here they are. Here's one of them. They have the M&M, oatmeal, honey, and some peanut butter.
It's good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good, Snow Kitten?
I just played the M&M.
You tried an M&M.
I'm gonna buy another M&M.
This is really good.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like peanut butter M&Ms.
Taste.
I really like it.
Ball. Taste this
Here's
much.
Snow Kitten. This little one is good. Here, try the whole thing. Try it out. Whole thing.
Good day, I'm too.
All right, so this was super easy. Was it fun to make, girls?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so all we did was we used oatmeal, the quick oats. We used some peanut butter, little quick bite M&Ms, and honey. Was it good, Snow Kitten? All right, everybody loves it. You didn't have to cook or bake with it. Just put it in the refrigerator. We can even do it in the freezer. Lots of fun, easy to make, a bit messy, but super tasty in the end.
It's super good.
I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you try it out and make it because it is so tasty. And you can always replace the pieces. You could do raisins, chocolate chips, peanut butter chips instead of M&ms. You could do almond butter instead of the peanut butter. And you could try all kinds of different things to replace it. This is a fun little easy thing.
Sunflower butter too.
All right. Comment below to tell me if you've tried this, if you liked it, or something you'd like to add in to replace it. We are going to pig out on this because it's so tasty. Remember, like and subscribe. Sparkle later.
I love the cookies. Bye.
They are good, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.